Welcome guys to this training. Today we are going to be looking at how to design a hotel website. So we are going to basically be designing this. Let me show you a demo of, wow, this is an example of a hotel website. So we are going to be looking at how to get this exactly like this. So before you continue, you should subscribe and press the like button with the notification bell so you get updated whenever we upload content like this. Anyway, so we are going to be doing this exactly using WordPress. So starting, I'm going to be using WR services / hotel. So this is a fresh WordPress installation. So in case you want to know how to do your hosting, WordPress hosting, and get domain name, you should check out our video on that. Or if in case you find difficulties, you should drop a comment, get to you immediately. So here we have already installed WordPress and already configured our hosting. So you see this panel. So in case you are lost on this, make sure to drop a comment. Okay, so this is how our WordPress looks when you just install it. So it has nothing, no content. So how do we install what I was talking about? So I'll first of all log into my WordPress dashboard /wp admin. You're going to be requested for password, username. Okay, so this is how WordPress comes when you just install it. So what I'll first of all need to do is I have to install my theme. So the first thing, which is most important, is your theme. So I'll be using a theme. So let's see, hotel. Okay, this is the hotel theme that we are going to use. No, I think we need to extract this file. Okay, this is it. This is the theme. So let's install it. In case you are fluent in what the theme is about and what WordPress is all about, you can get one of our videos. So this is how we do it. So now we have installed a new theme. Now let's check on how the website looks like. Okay, so you can see what the theme has done. It has changed the layout and looks of the site. So the site now is different. So remember, a theme is what determines the appearance of the site. So let's see this one. Okay, this is good. So we are going to be getting something like this. I kind of think that's exciting. Anyways, so we have this. The first thing that we should now do is we need to install our required plugins. So these are a set of plugins which you need to install, all of them. Install, activate. So I'll first of all install all before activating. So it's just amazing that it uses a default page builder Elementor. Okay, I think all of them have installed. Now I can activate all. If I would have taken just install all of that, there would have been some problem. So it's essential that you install one by one. Okay, so all of them are installed now. So let's check the plugin panel and see. Oops, okay, we have installed Elementor. Seems Elementor want us to connect to their library. So you just follow the steps. They'll ask you to connect your Google account. Since my account is already connected, I think it's just going to go. So continue with team now. We are continuing with that team. So just skip all of this. So normally when you install Elementor, they will always want you to start working with them. So you can choose to exit this and go to my dashboard. Okay, so this is my dashboard, and now you see all of the various settings have installed. Simple, there's no need to stress about anything. So everything has been done. Elementor has connected successfully. So they're talking about updates. So let's see what can be updated. It's always essential to keep your files updated. So ND shortcuts, I don't think that one is really important. Anyway, so let's get into the system. Let's still, okay, this is how it still looks like. Okay, so that's how it looks like. So what we are going to use now, we are going to import demo content, because starting it from scratch may be tedious. So I'm going to come to team options. I'm going to import demo. Now you can see from the demo here, there are many options. You can choose which one you want. You can choose, but this particular one came from this. So I'll click on this, import demo. Yeah, this is the demo options have been imported correctly. Please click here to import dummy content. So now let's see what has happened. Okay, so now one page has come and the layout has changed a bit. So let's click here to import the dummy content. As you see, so it's here. So we need to import now, see the XML files. So go to files, import files. This is what they're talking about. So I'm going to click on upload file and import. Okay, assign post to a user. I'm going to just select this. So it seems as if the pictures have not loaded correctly. The pictures have not loaded correctly because it uses Elementor page builder. So we are going to install Elementor Pro. I think working with the free version may limit us in working. So remember, Elementor Pro, you need to purchase it. You need to purchase Elementor Pro. In case you want to get the file, you can leave a comment below. Okay, so I've installed and activated Elementor Pro. So we're going to manually import our sliders. slider revolution helps you to create slides, so most dynamic slides. So okay, we are going to be going here, so we are going to upload all of these slides. Okay, so all of it has imported, so these are the sliders needed. So let's refresh it again and see. Okay, so I think so this is exactly how the system is going to look like. So I think so in case now you want to edit any of these things, you can check here, edit to Elementor. You get full access over every part component. Now if you check the settings, you can check here for booking plugin. Now this booking plugin, you can specify payment method. So yeah, we have currency, you can change your currency. You can there is container, I don't know, developer mode. Now price guess. Now if you check, enable the checkbox if you want to multiply the price room for the number of guests. So you see, I hope that is self-explanatory. Price range, all of these you can always check them out. Checkout page, all of these you can always check them out. Now if you check here on payment settings, you can check now how people get to pay. Now you set your city tax value. Okay, so VAT in your country, you can set that one in case if you have. Now PayPal email, you put your PayPal email account here. PayPal API token, you can get that using this link. So currency of PayPal USD, and PayPal message on checkout. You can request booking request. You can do booking requests. So that one you are going to have to pay by a date you guys agree on. Now bank transfer, payment on arrival, I think all of this can make out themselves. Now you can also use Stripe now can accept most of all of these forms of payment, but the limitation with Stripe here is that Stripe is not available in Cameroon, so you only need to get through some means. So in case you want to use that service, ensure you can get and drop a comment on it. Okay, so now we have checked on that. Let's see restaurants and the restaurants. So you can also add restaurants. Now max number of guests, instead the maximum number of guests. See booking duration, slot interval, occasions. So these are the different options. So these are the different options which you can always select from, and you get to do everything well. Now you can add timing, add exceptions, others. You have calendar view, you have Stripe, and we have PayPal. For Stripe, for PayPal was normal, but Stripe is going to be a bit complicated. So I think if you are done, if you configure everything correctly, everything will be fine. So let's check on what the project is about. Project, remove default container. Okay, these are just some data settings. Now if you check here, we have alerts. For example, if okay, it's still loading. While you're on this page, you see this thing, and it's an alert, and this alert was powered from here. If you check here, you see alerts. So you can see authors, you can see cost calculators. This is another restaurant again, so this is cost calculator. So let's explore the features. So okay, this is Elementor which has loaded. I hope you can see. Here you can simply edit the text. Okay, this is a slider. You can edit it from slider revolution, which is here. So you can just say edit module. It's going to take you to slider revolution. You can edit it from there. So this one was not created with Elementor, from slider revolution. So the ones which was created with Elementor, I hope you see how they're editable. You just need to come, put your mouse. You can write as you want. This image in case you want to just change it, just click on it, you change, and that's how easy going it is. Look at this is really nice. You can get to customize all of this. So with this, I'm sure you guys, if in case you don't know how to use Elementor, check out our past videos on Elementor. So these are different alerts which are here. So let's check on the cost calculator. Okay, this is slider revolution. Okay, I've seen this slider revolution, so it is also as a page builder, but it's just for search. So let's check on this restaurants. So these are restaurants. So right now there are only 2 restaurants, like Canva and Rooms. So you can decide to add your own restaurants. So I think with all of that said, we are going to conclude with this. So you can, these are rooms now. You can add rooms. You can add your services. Yeah, so services, television, swimming pool, king beds, wow, everything is there. I like it. Okay, so these are the rooms. These are different types of rooms available. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.